here. Today we're going to do a torture track test. This video would have been longer, but we kind of just had it technically with the camera, so everything's already set up, as you can see. We have hot cocoa, oatmeal grits, and shredded paper. We are going to be testing the Hoover Elite High Performance versus the Hoover Elite Energy Efficient. I love this thing. I actually made a video for you guys a couple days ago replacing the belts on this thing, and the video, something messed up on it and it deleted itself halfway through, so made me real mad. But anyways, this is ready to go. I'm going to do 2 passes with them and see which one works. I'm going to make sure everything's ready, so I'm going to pause it real quick in a minute, and we'll be right back for you guys. We're back and we're about to start. Which one should we start with? You choose.
The one on the right. My right.
Your right? Okay. So, just gonna start with the one on your left.
Alright, yeah, just go, whatever one, whatever.
We're gonna start with the Energy Efficient. We're gonna make sure the floor settings are good. This one's set to low, so I'm gonna bring it down to a little bit before low, like that other one is. Alright, and we're gonna do 2 passes. Here. That thing did pretty good. We can go down here though. And if you get down really close, you can see there's still some hot cocoa left. That's where the belt is on it, so that's to be expected. But if we get down really deep in the nitty gritty, there are some pieces of oatmeal and some grits deep into the fibers of the carpet. But we're gonna go ahead and get right to the high performance. It's the little guy, so it is high performance. So we are ready to go in 3, 2, 1. High performance does not lie. If we get down in the nitty gritty, if the camera can come down here, comparing the two, there is a substantially less amount of junk with the high performance, and the energy efficient left a little bit of hot cocoa right here. That is where the belt track is. But the energy efficient left that, and the high performance had no problem taking it all out. I'm going to try to find some piece. I mean, it's a substantially smaller amount than the energy efficient. But this thing is amazing. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Once again, my name is Tamwick. Subscribe, and I will see you guys later.